What is the benefit of a detox, and does the ketogenic diet assist in detoxification? There's a lot of controversy over whether or not we should or should not detoxify. You'll hear a lot of people say, well, our body naturally detoxifies, we don't need to engage in a detox. That's not entirely true. We know that detoxification moves through the liver. If we have any impairment in the liver, our body's ability to detoxify will be impaired. We also know that we have genes of detoxification. We have genes that allow us to detoxify mold, genes that allow us to break down toxins. So if you're missing one of those genes, if there's an issue with one of those genes or it's not functioning optimally, then when you're exposed to these toxins, you hold on to them. So what we often see in practice, I deal with a lot of chronic illness, chronic pain. Most of those individuals have impaired detoxification pathways. So it's really important to support that body's ability to detoxify. The ketogenic diet and exogenous ketones can actually assist in detoxification. The first thing we want to do in any detoxification process is help impact some of those inflammatory cascades. That's extremely beneficial because as we detoxify, we can often create a response. We also know that we need glutathione. Glutathione is one of our most important antioxidants, but it's also one of the most important factors used in order to assist our body's ability to detox. Many people have impaired glutathionation. They're not able to detoxify because they have an issue with that gene or they're missing it altogether. What we have found is that exogenous ketones or beta-hydroxybutyrate can actually encourage the production of glutathione, assisting our body in detoxification. So yes, it's extremely important that we detoxify. I encourage individuals who are healthy to detoxify at least once a year with a committed 2 to 4 week detoxification program where they're making really great dietary changes, assisting their pathways of detoxification. And for those who are symptomatic, then you want to make sure that you're engaging daily in assisting those detoxification pathways until you're well.